can't burp now.
Oh no, mine's not coming anymore.
What is that? Is that a burp or is that you like snorting?
I'm getting ready for it.
I can't even burp right now.
I don't have any more good ones.
I don't even have one.
This isn't fun.
Kristen's boyfriend's gonna break up with her, and Morgan's never gonna get a boyfriend.
No. I burp in front of Christian all the time.
Who was that?
Kristin.
Oh.
Wait.
They're having a burping contest, and they're recording it with their camera to put it on the internet for people to see.
Oh my god. I seriously feel like I'm gonna puke.
You hit me right when I was eating food.
Ah!
I got really bad sunburn.
No, it's good.
No.
Did you really poo?
It was like coming out of the hidey hole, right when you smacked me, so you didn't hear it. Like,
Hidey hole? Hidey hole.
That's not
That last burp, I swear, something would have came up if I didn't stop myself. I burped up those Cheetos.
Ew.
That's what it felt like.
Where is this thing still on?
It ain't working anymore. Nope. Oh my god, my stomach hurts.
So does mine.
Morgan, this is still on.
We'll turn it off.
You just let this sit in here on.
That was actually me that left the one.
Oh, did you get a jellyfish?
You had to like prepare yourself walking. You're like.
You get a jellyfish?
Chris got a jellyfish. Ew.
Is it dead?
Whew, oh my lord. That tasted. That's what my last one was like. And I was like, oh. Seriously, sounds like someone's coming up. That was alright. That was alright.
Oh, my stomach.
That's how mine feels right up here.
Yeah, we drank it like way too fast. It's like,
Are you done? I still got like half a can left. Maybe that's why you burp so much, because you like chugged it so much. If I chugged it, I'd barf it up.
ew, Tyler's got a jellyfish. Chris brought it up. Did you see Chris? Ugh. Okay.